and grab every upgrade, feature and bonus at one discounted price. Available limited time only, the full desktop AI, every upgrade, every bonus, in one click. Price increases when the timer hits 0. Limited time launch only pricing. Price increases when the timer hits 0. Limited time launch only pricing. Bundle. The desktop AI that sees your screen, works inside your real apps, and finishes the task, plus everything you need to turn it into client income. Mac plus Windows desktop app, one-click install. Push to talk hotkey. Sees your screen, understands your context. Natural voice in, natural voice out. Guide mode, act mode, background agent mode. Telegram phone control. Remembers you between sessions, learns your shortcuts. Real Chrome, real logins, no re-authenticating. Bring your own AI engine, you control the model and cost. One key stop, auto pause, never types passwords, asks before anything irreversible. Unlimited background tasks, up from 5/day. Multiple tasks running in parallel, up from 1 at a time. Install on 3 computers, up from 1. Unlimited phone control plus files plus voice notes, up from 5/day, text only. All 5 natural voices, up from 1. 30-day memory and conversation history, up from 7 days. Priority support. 30 plus done for you Conquest Pack, value, $497. Finance Pack, Statement Sorter, Expense Tracker, Receipt Wrangler, PNL Assembler plus more. Outreach Pack, Lead List Builder, Cold Email Writer, Follow-up Sequencer plus more. Content Pack, Blog Post Drafter, Content Repurposer, Caption Batcher plus more. Admin Pack, Inbox Cleaner, Meeting Summarizer, File Organizer plus more. New conquests added monthly, free. Agency License, 100 client seats, Gold Tier only, value, $9,997. Install on up to 100 client machines. Charge setup plus monthly fees, keep 100%. Client Management Dashboard. VIP support. Fast action bonuses. Bundle period only. Bonus number 1, AI for Productivity Video Upgrade, $197. Bonus number 2, 4-hour CEO Operating System, $197. Bonus number 3, AI Tool Stack Optimizer, $147. Bonus number 4, 20 AI Automation Workflows, ready to deploy, $97. Bonus number 5, AI Agent Prompt Pack for Operators, $67. Bonus number 6, AI Automation ROI Calculator, $47. Bonus number 7, 30-day AI Content Calendar Generator, $97. Bonus number 8, AI Video Script Machine, $47. Bonus number 9, LinkedIn Outreach Sequence Builder, $67. Bonus number 10, Gold AI Agency Client Acquisition Playbook, $197. Bonus number 11, Gold AI Agency Proposal Templates, $97. Bonus number 12, Gold Local Upsell, $97. Combined bonus value, $1,354. Secret bonus, bundle only, the 10-day Odin Mastery Sprint, value, $1,094, not sold on any other page. A guided day-by-day path from install rightward arrow running Odin as a paid service. Secret bonus, bundle only, the 10-day Odin Mastery Sprint, value, $1,094, not sold on any other page. A guided day-by-day path from install rightward arrow running Odin as a paid service. White heavy checkmark Odin AI Pro Desktop App, Mac plus Windows. White heavy checkmark push to talk hotkey plus screen vision plus voice. White heavy checkmark all 3 modes, guide, act, background, fully unlocked. White heavy checkmark Pro unlimited, unlimited tasks, run in parallel. White heavy checkmark 3 computer license. White heavy checkmark unlimited phone control plus files plus voice notes. White heavy checkmark all 5 voices plus 30-day memory. White heavy checkmark Real Chrome plus bring your own AI engine. White heavy checkmark built-in safety controls. White heavy checkmark 30 plus done for you conquest pack, plus monthly drops. White heavy checkmark commercial/client use license. White heavy checkmark priority support plus lifetime updates. Secret upgrade, 10-day Odin Mastery Sprint. 9 bonuses, number 1, number 9, $963 value. Crossmark Agency Client Acquisition Bonus Kit. Crossmark VIP Support. Crossmark Client Management Dashboard. Crossmark Charge Clients Setup plus monthly fees. Crossmark Agency License, 100 client seats. White heavy checkmark 14-day satisfaction guarantee. Total real-world value, $4,845. White heavy checkmark Odin AI Pro desktop app, Mac plus Windows. White heavy checkmark push to talk hotkey plus screen vision plus voice. White heavy checkmark all 3 modes, guide, act, background, fully unlocked. White heavy checkmark Pro unlimited, unlimited tasks, run in parallel. White heavy checkmark 3 computer license. White heavy checkmark unlimited phone control plus files plus voice notes. White heavy checkmark all 5 voices plus 30-day memory. White heavy checkmark Real Chrome plus bring your own AI engine. White heavy checkmark built-in safety controls. White heavy checkmark 30 plus done for you conquest pack, plus monthly drops. White heavy checkmark commercial/client use license. White heavy checkmark priority support plus lifetime updates. Secret upgrade, 10-day Odin Mastery Sprint. All 12 bonuses, number 1, number 12, $1,354 value. Agency Client Acquisition Bonus Kit. White Medium Star VIP Support. White Medium Star Client Management Dashboard. White Medium Star Charge Clients Setup plus monthly fees. Agency License, 100 client seats. White heavy checkmark 14-day satisfaction guarantee. Total real-world value, $15,233. Upgrade now before the next price increase. Because we need to be fair to early adopters of this bundle price and support our infrastructure, we can't let everyone in at this one low price. That's why the price increases as the timer runs down, and reverts to standard upgrade pricing after launch. Plus, we're taking on all the risk. 14-day money-back guarantee. If Odin doesn't save you real hours, tell us and we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. Your 14-day, risk-free guarantee. Price increases when the timer hits 0. Limited time launch-only pricing. Frequently asked questions. Buying separately means going through each upgrade page individually, Pro Unlimited, the Conquest Pack, the agency license, making decisions under a timer and potentially missing pieces you'll want later. The bundle puts the complete, fully unlocked system in your account from day one and includes the bundle-only 10-day Odin Mastery Sprint that isn't sold anywhere else. Both tiers give you the complete personal system, Odin Pro, Pro Unlimited, unlimited parallel tasks, the 3 computer license, the full Conquest Pack, and the 10-day Odin Mastery Sprint. Gold adds the agency license, the right to install Odin for up to 100 clients, charge them setup and monthly fees, keeping 100%, a client management dashboard, and VIP support. If you plan to sell Odin as a service, choose Gold. No. If you can press a hotkey and speak, you can run Odin. There's no coding, no prompt engineering, no setup gauntlet, and day one of the Odin Mastery Sprint walks you through every step. Both Mac and Windows. Your bundle license installs on up to 3 computers. Everything is delivered inside your Odin members area, the single dashboard where your downloads, license, the 10-day mastery sprint, and all your bonuses live. You get your login right after checkout, so the whole system is in one place from minute 1. Yes, a single one-time payment for the bundle on this page. No monthly platform fee, no renewals. You power the AI through your own connected account at a few cents a day, which is separate and fully under your control. Yes. Every bundle tier includes the commercial/client use license, so you can produce paid client deliverables and keep 100% of the revenue. Gold goes further, licensing you to install and bill Odin for up to 100 clients as a managed service. With the bundles Pro Unlimited, there's no daily cap and no one-at-a-time limit. You can run unlimited background tasks, several in parallel, plus unlimited phone-triggered tasks via Telegram. Odin rides the browser sessions you're already signed into. It doesn't see, type, or autofill your passwords or card details. It simply works inside the accounts you've already opened, the same way you would. The software is one-time. To power the AI you connect your own account, free to set up, a couple of minutes. On the recommended model a full day of heavy use runs about $0.20, $0.50, and there are free models you can run at no usage cost. The lifetime of this product is 5 years. Throughout that period, we'll continue maintaining the platform to ensure it functions as described. After you purchase, there are no renewals, no subscriptions, and no surprise charges. The app, the screen reading, and the browser automation all run on your own computer, visible on your screen, and Odin works inside the browser sessions you're already logged into. The one thing that does leave your machine is the AI request itself, which Odin sends to the model you've chosen, and you decide which provider that is. Safety is built in. You can stop Odin instantly with one key. It auto-pauses the moment you take over the mouse or keyboard. It never types passwords or card details, and it asks for confirmation before anything destructive or irreversible. It's a guided 10-day path from first install to running Odin as a paid service, foundations, then deeper workflows and conquest chaining, then packaging and selling services using Odin to land the clients itself. Yes, it's a bundle-only inclusion, it isn't sold on any separate upgrade page. Odin frees up hours you currently spend on repetitive computer work, and the commercial license lets you turn those hours into billable client work or a second income stream. The income depends entirely on how you apply it. The tool's job, and the mastery sprint's job, is to give you back the time and show you the path. Yes. This is launch-only bundle pricing. When the timer hits 0, the bundle deal is gone, individual upgrade pricing applies, and the platform moves to a subscription model after launch. Locking in now secures the lowest price this will ever be. You're covered by the 14-day money-back guarantee on the complete bundle. Use it, test it, work through the training, and if it's not for you, get a full refund, no questions asked. Every effort has been made to accurately represent our product and its potential. Any claims made of actual earnings or examples of actual results can be verified upon request. The testimonials and examples used are exceptional results, and don't apply to the average purchaser. They are not intended to represent or guarantee that anyone will achieve the same or similar results. Each individual's success depends on his or her background, dedication, desire, and motivation. As with any business endeavor, there is an inherent risk of loss of capital and there is no guarantee that you will earn any money. By making a purchase on this website, you agree to abide by all our policies and will not be misusing our product, for any wrongful purposes. Disclaimer, please note that this product does not provide any guarantee of income or success. The results achieved by the product owner or any other individuals mentioned are not indicative of future success or earnings. This website is not affiliated with Facebook or any of its associated entities. Once you navigate away from Facebook, the responsibility for the content and its usage lies solely with the user. All content on this website, including but not limited to text, images, and multimedia, is protected by copyright law and the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Unauthorized copying, duplication, modification, or theft, whether intentional or unintentional, is strictly prohibited. Violators will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. We want to clarify that JVZoo serves as the retailer for the products featured on this site. JVZoo Registered is a registered trademark of BBC Systems Incorporated, a Florida corporation located at 1809 East Broadway Street Suite 125 Oviedo, Florida 32765 USA, and is used with permission. The role of JVZoo as a retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claims, statements, or opinions used in their promotion. Privacy Policy Terms of Service Disclaimer Refund Policy.